In this question, we have to find the equation of the line AB, given the answer in the form y equals mx plus c. Let's just have a look at this form here, y equals mx plus c. Well, the m, that is the gradient of the line, so the steepness. And we calculate that with the change in y over the change in x. And I'll explain that a little bit more in a second. This c, that is where the line cuts the y-axis. So if we think about this, if we had a set of axes here, let me just draw in some axes. So we've got the vertical, horizontal, let's label that x, and this is y. The point A is 3, 9. So it'd be somewhere like this. This is the point A, which is 3, 9. The point B, 7, 1, so 7 along, 1 up. Let's say that is the point B, and that is 7, 1. Now this is just a quick sketch. It doesn't need to be overly accurate. It's just to give me an idea of where the points are so I can start working with things. Now let me just draw in this line AB. So the line will look something like that. Now this point here, where it crosses the y-axis, this is the point C. Remember, C is where it cuts the y-axis. The m is the gradient or the steepness of this line. So if I just drop down a vertical here and then go across horizontally, we can calculate the gradient. The gradient is the change in y, so this vertical distance, over the change in x, this horizontal distance. So the change in y over the change in x. Let's label these points x1 and y1, and this would be x2 and y2. So the m, or the gradient, is the change in y, which is y2 minus y1, that's the change in y, over the change in x, which would be x2 minus x1. Well, substitute in the values for y2, which is 9, y1 is 1, the x2 value is 3, and the x1 value, that is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 minus 7, that's negative 4. So 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. So the m value is negative 2. The gradient is negative 2, and we can see that it is in the negative direction. So what we've got so far is that y equals m, which is negative 2, x plus c. Now we need to calculate this c value, and we can do that by substituting in this pair of ordinates here or this pair of ordinates here. So we've got the x and y values which we can put into this equation. Let's use x1 and y1. So y1, or value of y, is 1 equals negative 2 multiplied by the x value, which is 7, plus c. So 1 equals negative 14 plus c. So hopefully you can see rearranging that would give that c is equal to 15. So now we've got all the information we need. We've got the m value, we've got the c value, so we can write out the equation as y equals negative 2x plus 15. So the process is work out your gradient. Once you've got your gradient, pop in values for x and y to calculate the value of c, and then you can express it in the form y equals mx plus c. If you found this video useful, then remember to give me a quick thumbs up, and if you would like to be notified when I release new videos, then hit that subscribe button and remember to click on the little notification bell.